Hey everybody, this is a real quick video. In case you have Klipsch X12 Neckband Bluetooth earphones and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on them, you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting in case these earbuds are not connecting to your Bluetooth device or they're not syncing or not pairing with your phone or anything like that. A factory reset can fix a lot of these issues. Now, the other reason you might want to do this is just for whatever reason, if you're setting them up on a new phone or something like that, or just whatever reason where you want to set them up, like delete the pairing history and set them up like they're brand new, this factory reset will do that. So the first thing you need to do the reset is to go on your phone or whatever like that, that's if it's been paired to it before, and just delete it off of there. Once you've done that, we're going to come in here and we're just going to find there's a volume up button here, volume down button right here, and then this kind of dimple or whatever you would call this right in the middle, this button in the middle. We're just going to press and hold this for at least 10 seconds. So after 10 seconds or so, we can just go ahead and release this button. It will factory reset to its factory defaults, at which point we can set this up, repair these earphones basically like they're brand new coming out of the box.